Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Today is Friday, and today it is the day for Duck Duck Dishcloth. I'm so excited. I joined in the beginning of this year with Missy from Missy's Yarniverse and More, and her channel will be linked in the comments in the description box. And she's using this book, The Little Encyclopedia of Dishcloths. And we went through, and in the table of contents, we numbered each dishcloth 1 through 31. And so she has a box that is decorated like a duck pond, and she has little rubber duckies. And on the bottom of each rubber ducky is a number, and there's 31 duckies in there. So she had us, those of us that there's 20 of us all together, all of us put in how many ducks we wanted her to draw. So she will draw one of our names, however many ducks. If I think I said 4. My name hadn't been drawn yet, but maybe it will soon. So if she draws my name and I had 4 requested, she'll go duck, 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 and the fourth one dishcloth. And whatever number is on the bottom of that fourth duck that she draws out, that's the dishcloth we work on for the week. So last week, the duckies played a little trick. The duck that was drawn did not have a number on the bottom. It said rewind quackin'. And the quackins were the bigger ducks, and they had a free pattern in them inside the duck that wasn't in here. But what the rewind quacking is, and what we had to do for this past week, is you got to look back at the dishcloth that we've already done, choose your favorite, and make that dishcloth. Guys, you know my favorite. I had to make it again because it is my favorite. Ta-da! The angel dishcloth, the faucet angel. Is this not the cutest? I love making this. I think I'm going to make several of these and make them for gifts because it's quick and easy to do, and it's just pretty. I love it. And this one is too pretty to use, so it's going to be a decoration in my kitchen. Since I have those sage greens and the yellows, this is going to go perfect. If you've noticed, I have 2 different colors of yellow in this dishcloth. When I pulled out the yellow skein of cotton yarn to use for this, I thought it was a big enough skein to make the angel. Nope, I got all the way to this row right here and ran out. So I had to pull out another yellow cotton yarn, and I did not have one that was the same as the one I started with. So it's just a little pale yellow, but you know what? She's cute. She's still adorable. She's still cute. And she's going to hang in my kitchen. So it doesn't matter. If it was somebody else's, I probably would have started over with a new skein and a different color. But we had to remake another one. We couldn't submit the same photo from the one before. We had to make another one and send a new photo. So I sent Missy a photo of this one. So make sure that when you finish watching the Duck Duck Dishcloth videos, that you go over to Missy's Yarniverse and More, and you will go watch the Duck Parade video. She does a video where she announces the next dishcloth that we're going to work on. She draws her duckies for a new dishcloth, and then she also will put out a second video called the Duck Duck Parade, and it's all the pictures that we've submitted of the dishcloths we made. So make sure you go check out and see everybody's dishcloths. But I had to make the angel again. It's just too stinking cute. So she drew ducks again. And guess what? The ducks did a little play again this week. Instead of a dishcloth picked out of this book, what they've done is they've done another quacking. Little tiny small duck that said quacking on the bottom. So what we have to do is we have choices. We can take the back a few months ago, I think, we did a little duck scrubby dishcloth. And let me see if I can find it. I've got all my dishcloths I made right here. We made a little ducky scrubby dishcloth. Let me see if I can locate my little ducky somewhere in here. Maybe, oh, here he is. I didn't use scrubby yarn. To make mine, I just used regular yarn, but this was the little ducky that I made. And sorry, it's all curly. But anyway, there's the little ducky I made. I just have to put an eye on him. I haven't done that yet. So we can take this one that we already made, and we have to go out into the wild with our dishcloth and take a picture. Now we can use the one we've already made. We can take a rubber ducky and take a fun picture. Let me get mine. We can take our rubber ducky if we have one. I also have this little guy. I may stick him on the back. And we go out in the wild and take a picture with a rubber duck. We can also make an amigurumi ducky if we want to, just something with ducks, and go out in the wild and take a picture. So I'm going to take a break from making dishcloths, and you guys will have to wait till next week and see my picture that I took out in the wild with my duck. I think I'm going to take both of these and have them like this together out in the wild. Um, I've got some places in mind of where I can go to take a real good picture. Um, we'll see if it works out. But that's what we're doing. She's given us a little break if we want to from crocheting the dishcloths and just going out and taking a fun picture. So stay tuned next week to see what our fun pictures are going to be. I cannot wait to see what everybody does with their pictures and what they come up with. It's going to be really fun. So that is our duck dishcloth for this week. And that's what we're going to be doing this week with our duck dishcloth. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and make sure you go over and check out the duck dishcloth parade and see all the pictures of the dishcloths that everybody redid of their favorites. So I had to do the angel. It's my favorite. Also, I didn't have a video out Wednesday. That is because for Battle of the Stitches, we have 5 weeks this week, 5 Wednesdays. So there was no video yesterday, or this past Wednesday, but the voting is still open. So if you have not watched the tutorial and the reveal project for my video, Heather at Strings and Threads, and Jennifer at Dinky Crafts, go back and watch their reveal video, week 3 video, to see what we made. We also put out a tutorial to show you how to make our project that we created. Heather has the voting poll on her community tab on her channel, so go and vote. Leave a comment under your voting. We're keeping voting up going this whole week too. Next Wednesday, which is, where's my calendar? Well, I guess I'll look on my phone. I thought I had my actual planner out. Next Wednesday, which is the 29th, okay, at 2 p.m. Central, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Central, we will go live right here on my channel. Heather and Jennifer will join me. We will be letting you know whose project for Battle of the Stitches got the most votes, and we will be drawing one person, and if your name gets drawn, you will get to choose which of the 3 projects you get as your prize. So stay tuned for that for next week for the live at 2 p.m. Central. So I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. And that's it for Duck Dishcloth. Remember to go to Missi's Yarniverse and More and watch the Duck Parade to see all of the fun dishcloths that everybody remade. And I will see you again in the next video. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.